All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So in today's episode, we're going to try to get some stuff together so we can get this garage in working order. I really like my workspaces clean and bright and organized, and this garage is not that. I'm going to try my best today to go to the storage, pick up all the old stuff that I wasn't using, pick up all the things that I'm not using, lights, anything that I can use to make this place brighter. You guys seen it in the beginning of the episode. It was just a brief video of AB Carbon's carbon fiber that he sent us. Stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting episode. It's going to be a little bit all over to the storage. So let's go. All right, folks, we made it to the storage. Don't judge me. This thing looks insane. Didn't give very many things, but just things that are going to be essential to at least get some light in this garage. You get something's better than nothing. So in the meantime, right now, I'll show you guys what I got. We're going to jump back into the car and we're going to head back to the garage. So let's go. Got back to the garage, and let me show you how bad this place needs light. We're going to walk into this place and I'm going to just disappear. This is literally the only light I have. Hey everybody, this is the next day. Something that I was not expecting at all. So what I found on the tree in the area that I live. So I have my MR2 parked on the city street. And as you guys see, we're going to have to move the MR2 by the 11th. Take off this cover. Actually, no, we're not going to take off this cover. We're going to go get gas. Turn this key. Hopefully this works. If not, we'll see what happens. You guys seen what happened. The battery is completely dead. This thing has been sitting since probably the end of January. I understand. But that brings me to today's sponsors. So check this out. Gate was nice enough to send us one of probably the best jumper boxes I've had before. We have the light and carry, which is a Cobb LED work light. I think this thing looks phenomenal. I can't wait to open this. We have another work light here. It's a Cobb LED rechargeable work light as well. This one's supposed to be really bright. So I'm really excited about these two parts. And then we have this one here. This is a smaller version of their 12-volt ruthenium jumper. We hear that it says here that it starts most V8. This is a 2-liter dead battery, so hopefully this all works out. I just want to give a big shout out to the guys at Jump and Carry. These guys are phenomenal. They sent me everything that I needed. So moving forward, guys, we're going to go ahead and attach this jumper and we're going to go and get this car started. Let's go. And let me just tell you guys, this was straight out of the box. There was no charging involved. There was nothing. This was literally straight out of the box. There's going to be a link down at the bottom to go ahead and check them out. Great. Kevin, you the man. Thank you for sponsoring this episode. Now let's get back to the show. Hey guys, we're in. You know it's only right to take this car out for a spin and see how it goes. Super exciting. Woo! And it's my fun.
Like spoil it.
I had to pull over to the side real quick. I want to give a big shout out to Gatsby Car Wash. You guys are great. You guys are phenomenal. The MR2 came out beautiful. But it's T-top weather, guys, so these things need to come off. All right, guys, we're in. Let's make this happen. Let's go for a little drive around the block just so that we can go ahead. Thank you. Thank you. That was awesome. I got that back to the garage. But I have to park this MR2. But before we do that, it's too nice of a day. So if you don't have an MR2 and you guys are watching this channel, I really advise you guys an MR2, and one that runs, that's not broken, and it's going to change your life. It's going to change your view on these cars. And, I mean, I am very happy that I didn't sell this 94. I'm just having a really good time. I'm enjoying this car, and I'm glad I'm able to take you guys with me and go park it up. So let's go. All right, folks, enough playing around. We got some business to take care of in the garage. All right, folks.
This is what we're working with here. All right, folks, we finally have this thing nice and cleaned up for the most part. It was a disaster when we started. We do got some light in here now, so now maybe we could start working on this one a little bit more. But it's coming out pretty good. I'm really enjoying how this thing is coming out so far. I was able to get the car on the wheel dollies, so we got these bad boys on and working. Same thing for the front. I got the jack stands here just in case I need them, because I'm going to end up lifting the car at some point to put the motor, so I'm going to need those too. But like I promised already, we're going to close out this video with some carbon fiber stuff we have right here. So guys, we're going to go ahead and have a really, really good time opening up this carbon fiber, guys. So let's get into it. So now we have the rear Tom's center plate. So now the center plate is carbon fiber and it is honeycomb. I'm super excited about this. So we're going to move on, guys, and open the rest of the stuff. Check this out. This CD box is just looking phenomenal, guys. So moving forward, we're going to go ahead and open this up, and then we're going to go ahead and open this up. So I'm really, really excited, guys. Let's go. I am still amazed because of this carbon fiber. This carbon fiber itself is hexagon carbon fiber. We already know where it came from. AB Carbon out in the UK. If you guys have anything that you guys need carbon fiber, make sure you check out AB Carbon. Alan, you threw down on these parts. I can't wait to see the rest of the stuff. We have a whole bunch of stuff to go, but this is phenomenal. I mean, I'm getting down to the nitty gritty, guys. This here is the nitty gritty. I'm getting everything carbon fiber. Fuck it. And this thing is just coming out phenomenal, guys. So I am so glad you guys were here with me to open this up. Thank you for those who've waited to the end of the video. This was the big surprise. I am super, super excited. Let me turn the camera around. I was super excited to open this box up with you. And Alan, I know you had been waiting. There's no bubble wrap marks, nothing. They look great. Thank you again, everybody. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Thank you again for watching. And until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace. Well, guys, we have an issue here. We are stuck. The MR2 has left me stranded.
The feeling this gives you, if you don't have an MR2 and you guys are watching this channel, I really advise you guys, get an MR2.
I'm at a loss for words, I guess.
Good morning, folks. We're back in the car. We are on our way to go check on the MR2. I did call Axel. So Axel's on his way to go pick up the MR2. I'm pretty sure that the motor locked up. So what does that mean for the OEM 94 Plus build? Ooh, I don't know. Let's just go to this car so I can end this episode.
It's here, y'all. It's here. It is locked, guys. Or SOL. God dang it. Axel, of course, coming to the rescue. What's up? As always, to the rescue.
Dude, what's up, my dude? How's it going?
Man,
Glad I can help you.
thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. The motor's locked.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm almost positive. I was driving. I heard knocking. The knocking got louder, and I tried to pull over, but there was too many people behind me. And right when I was going to give it a little bit more gas, boom, the car just turned off, and then I tried to turn it back on, and you hear the... Oh, so it's done. It was done. So, thank you. I had just taken it for a car wash.
Really?
It's going to get switched out anyway, so it's like, I really don't mind, but damn, man, I wanted to drive the car yesterday. All right. Bad boy. All right, folks, there she is. I don't know what else to say. It kind of sucks. We're going to talk about moving forward plans with her, because we need to do something with it. There she sits.